IAmTraderX here again, coming to you live with another video of my chart analysis markup, weekly chart analysis markup video. Alright, so what am I looking at here right now is the same pair that I do every week, basically, so you don't have to wonder what the hell I'm gonna do. As you can see, I'm already in a trade here of ADU USD. This basically is just a retracement trade that I'm doing here. Alright, this is not a long-term trade, but looking for retracement to take it higher again. Okay, because basically what I said a couple of weeks back is that I'm seeing a head and shoulder pattern forming here, and it still stands, right? Because no structure have been broken, so that's the reason why I'm still having believe that this is a confirm head and shoulder pattern that's going to take us to the upside. But I'm just looking for a retracement to the downside, maybe test this area here to take it to the upside, or maybe coming around these area here. Let me just real quick for you. Coming around these area here, okay. So yeah, just retracement trade to take it to the upside again. If no structure break, I'm gonna still be looking for a buy. Okay, that's it basically. I'm looking for a buy trade, but I'm searching for retracement to take it to the upside basically. Okay, and this is the one here. This is still Euro USD that I spoke to you guys about for the past 2 weeks. That, well, not for the past 2 weeks, but the past 2 videos that I did, chart markup videos. This is exactly what I told you guys that was gonna happen, right? And last week I saw a lot of people crying out sell. Yes, they had their take profit hit and so on the retracements, but long term they were saying this is going for a sell trade because of this channel that you're seeing here. But what I saw is a break of structure around this point here. The last high was taken out, right, and the last low was is still contained, right? So that's the reason why I'm saying that this is going to go up to retest this high, or to actually break it, so we can actually get an up move to these high areas up here. Okay, I'm still looking for, well, I'm not in the trades again. I close out my trades around 50 pips each on my 3 buy trades, and currently I'm looking for a retracement down to this area here to take it to the upside again. If it does break and give me a continuation pattern is going down, I'll be going down with it. Okay, that's basically how I trade, looking for candlestick patterns to form at areas of interest. Let me jump to the 4 hour to show you guys what I'm looking at really. Yeah, basically I'm looking for this retracement down here. Alright, when this is coming down, I'll draw a trend line like that. When I do have a break of that structure, I'll be looking for buy. Okay, and next up is Pound USD. Pound USD, I'm not sure what to make of it really right now, but what I'm seeing here on the 4 hour, well, the daily pattern is showing a pennant or a triangular pattern. I can't remember the names, but I know what I'm looking for, guys. Alright, so don't laugh at me at this moment, but I know what I'm looking for. Okay, basically that what I'm looking for inside this chart right now is for a buy trade basically. But firstly I want to see this this support area here holds and give me a continuation pattern that is going to go up. Why is the continuation pattern? Because these low here have been getting higher, right, and these highs have been getting higher also, but from this big fall it contained all these highs and lows. It doesn't give me a significant high or significant low that's gonna go that side. So I'm just waiting for breakout of this pattern here, this overall pattern here, to be broken out, so I can decide where, so the market can show me where it's going, so I can follow along with it. Not really follow, but I want to be tugged along with it. Alright. Next chart up is USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc, for the past couple of weeks I've been looking for a sell while I was looking for buy on Euro USD, right? And surprisingly, the two of them actually went the same direction, which don't normally happen, right? But what I'm looking at here right now is a short head and shoulder pattern here. But I would have liked it to get to this point up here. That would have really interests me. Get to this area up here, so I can actually be looking for a sell at this moment up there, as you can see there, right? So but I saw that we have well, I'm seeing this, that have some short-term highs and lows inside this area here. That's the reason why it interests me at this moment still, because as I said, look left, the structure we believe includes, right? Okay, so as you can see, in the past it held its ground, right? It went up with all that force. As it got to that point, it went and reversed. Alright, so that's the reason why I'm looking for a sell at this moment, at this structure here. But I really wanted it to give me a even star at this point here, but it gave me two pin bar patterns, really, a spinning top and a pin bar. Okay, so I'm not sure what to look at that on daily, but on the 4-hour, this makes more sense. Went up, take out this low here, and this is just a retracement. So my thing is that I'm gonna be looking for a sell when market open. Take profit, stop loss around this area up here, this high up here, 30 pips. Take profit areas are looking for going down to that downside here, these lows here. Okay, and USD JPY, I'm not in no rush to be taking this trade, really. Before I saw this pattern completed, I wasn't looking at it that until I took that trade, right? But this trade was taken on support and resistance area, as you're seeing here, right? So and after I saw this pattern, that gave me more confidence that this pair is gonna take a dive down. But if it doesn't take that dive, we'll be looking for a break of structure around this point to give us continuation pattern that's gonna go up, so we can go up with it. Alright, that's basically how I trade. That's basically how I do it all day. Alright, so basically, yeah, you can see what I'm looking at here is a sell trade. A bearish bad pattern here, conform perfectly around this point, this area here. So if you're gonna look forward to be trading this, I suggest that you look for a break of structure around this area here. Okay, you take it to this low here, and their ultimate home run profit target will be around this midpoint of this pattern here, which will give us around 100 pips. Okay, last up is USD CAD. Again, I'm still looking at a rejection area, and this pattern C point actually formed here, and we actually did get the butterfly pattern from here to take it down here, and now a C point pattern is forming here, which basically can say that the the butterfly pattern is still intact, because sometimes these patterns form double tops before they actually go down or go up. Alright, so let me just draw this out for a while. Okay, I had to pause the video for a while while I do this, right? So basically what I'm saying, maybe this pattern is still intact, this first pattern is still intact, and the market just created a double top to conform again. But presently what you're seeing is a bad pattern again forming here. This was a butterfly pattern, and this is the bad pattern forming here, possibly to take it down to this area down here. Alright, so this, as you can see again, I'm already in a trade again. I went to the 15-minute to get this trade. Well, it's not in as yet, basically, but this is a sell stop to be activated as a sell later on when market does hit it. But I'm gonna take off this take profit area here and add more and a bigger lot size if it does give me a pattern to go down to the low side. Alright, but this is just a breakout trade pattern here that I'm trading here. It didn't get hit as yet, but I'll be liking the market to go up, gap up on Monday, Sunday night, and so I can look for a sell trade, so I can get more out of it going down. Alright, so that's basically it for this chart and analysis markup video. Today was done a bit different. I hope the voice song, well, the song is coming through better now because I changed mic now, and so yeah, I hope the sound quality have improved over the past videos. That's it for this video this week, and I hope you guys can find some value inside this. If you guys see anything different, please do notify me, because as said before, I'm here to learn. This channel only created so I can track my progress and my process of which I do and how I read the charts, and where I can look back from maybe a month from now or 2 years from now and see where I was going wrong and continue on what I was doing right. Alright, so that's it for this video again. Hope you guys have some value from this. I'll see you in the other video coming soon.